Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java 19. First, go to the Oracle website. Under Java SE Development Kit 19.0.1 for Windows, download x64 installer for Intel chip CPU. Run the exe file. On the installation wizard, click Next. Java will be installed in this default directory. The next step is to update the system environment so Java can run properly. We need to copy the first path to the JDK 19 directory under the program files, and the second path to the binary under JDK 19, and the third one to the Java path under Java directory. Go to the search bar. Type in Edit the system environment variables. Click on Environment Variables. Create a new system variable. Paste the first path to variable value and type in Java 19 as the variable name. Double-click on the path. Create a new path to the bin directory. And the new path for Java path directory. Next step, we'll test if we can run Java in the command line and run the script to print hello world. Open the command prompt. Type in JAVAC or JAVAC space 2 dashes version. This is the JAVAC. It is used to compile Java programs. Then type in JAVA or Java version. This is Java. It is used to run the bytecode of the Java language. Now go to the text editor that you use. You can use Notepad or whatever IDE that you want, and write the code to print hello world. And then save as helloworld.java. Go to the command line. Change the directory to the location where we saved the Java file. Type in JAVAC or JAVAC, as well as the name of the Java file. The compiler produced the bytecode file, which is helloworld.class, in the same directory. Now go back to the command line. Type in Java and the name of the bytecode file. It doesn't need the file extension. Now it prints out hello world. And that's it for today. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as my second channel as seen on the right side of the screen, where I teach math and computer science. Thanks for watching.